My vision board is coming to life. Cause we're going on a ski trip with Ulta Beauty. As an official member of the Ulta Beauty Collective, sisters, it's time for Ulta Ski Week. So let's get into this mood board. As a girlie born in New Jersey and raised in PA, best believe I know how to serve a look in the snow. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do in Utah.
Pulling out the boots with the fur, with the fur.
Listen, I'm about to be looking good. How am I fitting all these furs in my bag? I don't know. But will I look good? Yeah. Now, do I want to do a pop of color? I want to bring those vintage rich woman vibes. So I don't know. Do I need an official snowsuit? Can I just layer with what I have? Because isn't that big sister trying to say for a queen? Gotta use what's in my closet. Or I'm gonna hit the thrift store. Either way, I'm gonna make it work. Now, as far as the need, I think I need to get some snow boots. Because you know your girl got some Timbs. But all my other boots got heels. And listen, I'm trying to ski, snowboard, snowmobile, all of that. I don't need to break my ankle in the process. Speaking of snow activities, what am I gonna do with this hair? At first, I was thinking about getting it pressed out. But then after further research, I saw you had to wear a helmet. And the way my scalp gets hot, I'm gonna go on them slopes looking like Beyonce. But then take that helmet off looking like Michael Jackson. The fro will be froing. So do I pull out the bust down middle part? Maybe a halfway. I don't know, y'all. I need some help. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Cause sisters, we got a brand trip to go on. I love you guys. Bye.